Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can sign in on Gemini. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Gemini app on your phone. Right afterwards, you will find this option of login. And now right over here, simply go ahead, add in your email address that you created your account with, and then enter the password that you added for it to be confirmed, and tap on this option of login, which will light up as soon as you enter the correct information accordingly. Once you have tapped on login, you will be signed in to your account likewise, and you're good to go. So that basically it for you to simply try to log in, and that is it. So I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I will be seeing you guys in our next video.